When I was a child, I feel free, and I'm playing over and over again. I'm playing alone with my siblings without hesitation, and knowing that everything that's surrounded in my life is very difficult to getting them, without knowing the importance of family, because that time, I'm wasting my time with them. Marami akong pagkukulang sa buhay ko, kasi dito sa ating mundong hiram, milyong-milyong tao ang makikita mo at bagong kaibigan. Ngunit maraming klaseng tao din ang iyong makikilala. At lahat ng bagay na yan na may hangganan. At lahat ng hangganan may pagkukulang. At lahat ng pagkukulang may kapalit. Lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan. Hindi mo lang alam kasi hindi mo sila kilala. Hindi ka kilala at mas lalong hindi kayo magkakilala. Darating din naman tayo sa puntong pangarap naman ng ating uunahin kapag kilala mo yung sarili mo. Kasi sa totoo lang, nakaplano naman lahat yun. Aksyon na lang yung kulang at proseso na meron ka para ma-achieve yung isang bagay na gusto mo. I'm slowly wasting a lot of time before I found myself. I don't know what's the meaning of life. Because in that time, I'm very too young para alamin ang mga bagay na para na hindi pa. But right now, unti-unti kong naintindihan ang kahulugan ng buhay. It talks about true fight of our inside battle of life. Because every individual faces different types of situation in their lives. Kaya unti-unti kong binago ang sarili upang maabot ang pangarap na hanggang.
Adito.